Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this channel is all about simple, practical gardening tips, especially for beginners who want to start growing their own food without stress. Have you ever looked at fresh vegetables in the grocery store and thought, I wish I could grow this myself, but then felt overwhelmed or unsure where to begin? You're not alone. Many people believe gardening is expensive, time-consuming, or only for experts. Others worry about killing their plants, choosing the wrong vegetables, or not having enough space. But here's the truth. Gardening can be simple, affordable, and incredibly rewarding, even if you've never planted anything before. In today's video, we're going to break things down step by step by talking about the easiest vegetables to grow in the United States. These vegetables are beginner-friendly, fast-growing, and very forgiving if you make small mistakes along the way. Whether you're gardening in a backyard, raised bed, balcony, or containers, this guide will help you start with confidence and actually enjoy the process. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's get started. 1. Lettuce. Lettuce is one of the easiest vegetables to grow for beginners. It grows fast, doesn't need deep soil, and can be harvested multiple times. Lettuce prefers cooler temperatures and partial sunlight, making it perfect for spring and fall. You can grow it in garden beds, pots, or even window boxes. 2. Radishes. Radishes are perfect for impatient gardeners because they grow very quickly, sometimes in just 3 to 4 weeks. They don't need much space and require very little care. As long as they get sunlight and regular watering, they'll grow just fine. 3. Green beans. Green beans are beginner-friendly and grow well in many parts of the U.S. They're productive, easy to maintain, and grow fast. Choose bush beans for small spaces or pole beans if you have vertical support. 4. Zucchini. Zucchini is famous for being extremely productive. Just one plant can provide a large harvest throughout the season. It needs full sun and regular watering. Be sure to give it enough space, as zucchini plants grow quite large. 5. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes are easier than large tomato varieties and ideal for beginners. They grow well in containers or garden beds. They need full sun, consistent watering, and support like a cage or stake. Start small and don't plant too much at once. Use good quality soil for healthier plants. Water consistently, but don't overwater. Make sure plants get at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Mistakes are normal. Every gardener learns through experience. And that wraps up today's beginner guide to the easiest vegetables to grow in the United States. Remember, gardening doesn't have to be complicated or intimidating. You don't need expensive tools, a big backyard, or years of experience. All you need is the right plants, a little patience, and the willingness to learn as you go. Growing your own vegetables is not just about food, it's about saving money, eating healthier, reducing stress, and feeling proud of what you grow with your own hands. Even starting with just one pot or one small garden bed can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you enjoy this kind of content. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future beginner-friendly gardening videos. Let us know in the comments which vegetable you're excited to grow first, or share your beginner gardening experience. Thanks for watching, happy growing, and see you in the next video.